So today I will teach you how to make some Lego toilet, and there are the things that you needed to do it. The first thing is see this one and these two pieces of this. If you don't have two pieces, you may use this one. Then two pieces of bricks, any color you like, and one piece of this, one piece, and this one, and two pieces of this, and the one pieces of this gray, one pieces of this. So now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is this one. Put it here in the top, and this one we put it here. After you put this one, put it again, and it will look like this. And after you put, you may get this one too, and it will be birds like that. This one and theirs, and it will look like that. And after that, you will put this one. And after you put this one, you may get the stools. And after that, you may get this one too, the stools. After you get the stools, this one. Put it here. Put it there. And after that, you get this two pieces of white tiles. The white tiles, this white. Put it there at the top of the green. And after you put it at the top of the green, you will get this one, this green, and you will put it here at the back of the toilet, and so it will flash like that. So the Lego toilet will look like this, and it will close if you wanted. If you wanted to close this toilet, you will close it like that. So thanks for watching. Bye.